Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to add class schedule in Notion. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. Adding a class schedule in Notion involves creating a database to organize your classes. So here's how you can set it up. Open Notion in your web browser or the Notion app on your device. Click on the new page on the left corner to create a new page. Then let's name this class schedules. Go to table, click on new database on the right corner. In the new database, you can set up properties for your classes. Common properties include class name, the name of your class, text property, professor, the name of your professor, text property, location, classroom or online link, it's also text property, day, the day of the week the class occurs, select property with options like Monday, Tuesday, etc. Time, the time the class starts, date property with time. And now, as you can observe, in my database, it's already been configured. So, how did I add all of these? Well, you just have to click on this section and type in the class name. You can also modify the class names here. For the professor, simply type in the professor's name here. Or you can't create a new professor by typing it in and clicking on create. For example, Mr. or Mrs. A. Alternatively, you can select from the provided professors you've already created. You can customize the URL class name and add or delete links by clicking this link. Now, let's move to the day and access the edit property. And here you can make changes to the time format. For the date format, ensure it's set to relative, and you can modify the days by clicking here and entering your preferred time and date. Make sure to enable the include start time and end time options, and you can also set reminders for yourself at your preferred times. Now, to add your classes, you must click on the plus icon within the database to add a new entry for each of your classes. Fill in the class name, professor, location, day and time, and also the same as the information above. Now, once done, click on the share on the top right, then click publish the web to confirm. Just click on view site, and here is the overview of the class schedule. Remember, Notion allows for a higher degree of customization, so feel free to tailor your class schedule setup to your specific needs and preferences. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.